Okay, continue. This is DEF. D for this for I1, E for I2, F for I3. The lower limit set. Okay, and this HLP. H means the real detected. I1 real detected current display. We can see. We trigger one. Sorry. We triggered one. Let's see. Let's see the real. No, there's no. But when there is product, there will be current detected. Okay, HLP. These three data, these three LEDs is the value. This for schedule, this for which position, the three for the values. Three for values. Okay, that's how we set the parameter. Sometimes when we set, after set, we press here to weld. Normally, if we use pass mode, the four we designed the 4 clamp goes down to weld. If like this, first cannot weld because it's set. This is continuous welding. Normally, not use this mode. This is only way aging our power supply, because our power supply before delivery we will aging 24 hours continuously. We will use this mode to output continuously. This is I off. I off means when we trigger, there's no current output. It's for for maintenance. If we need to maintain our welders or any other welders for safety, we can turn I off. And this is the mode, okay? Okay. It's so much. For any help, can contact my WeChat 1581-333-4038. I have worked for this area 12 years. Very familiar for its application. Okay, thank you.